See? O, di ba?
Yes, simply means I've been in Japan.
There's a lot of vocabulary that you can hear.
Yeah,
Mama
but my
Dodong.
English is just
1998 to 2000.
help.
Pass.
Mr. B is so handsome, yeah.
We will chat.
Yeah, it's
Delilah.
little bit. Bitsy.
A little bit of
A little bit.
Monica.
Yes.
You hold the beat, you hold the beat. See?
Yeah, Mr. B went to my room because I think he saw my my post that I couldn't sleep. Someone is thinking of me and someone by my side just farted. Oh my gosh.
Beat. Hi, Lie.
Yeah, and then he
Oh,
went to my
Jaja.
room and he gave me
Hi,
NyQuil.
To all the Peculian family.
That's all. I slept
So she
after
can
that.
Don't speak Tagalog ah.
You see? You hear that, Mommy Cans? Mrs. B told, Miss B told Mr. B,
I think I don't-
go to the room.
I'll
last
try.
night. Then,
The croissant. I'm gonna try the
Croissant.
they
croissant.
eat croissant.
Alright, so...
AJ, gusto niyo?
You hear the
Batiklaw?
you hear right?
Oh, the croissant is fantastic.
Yes. It's fantastic.
Yeah, of course.
Fantastic.
I like
Wanna
it.
try?
Fantastic,
Yeah,
baby.
it's so crust. The crusty is so good. It's
I
so
wanna
perfect.
dance.
The way they bake it, oh my god.
I just
I
a
saw
little.
love.
Wow, look at that. Look at the texture of that.
Look at the texture. It's so flaky.
Oh my God, the
gosh.
croissant is so very nice.
Yeah. This is so much. I think I love it. Hmm? Hey, don't put your...
I'm sorry.
Because the sand might
Oh,
fall
oh,
here
you're
in
right.
the croissant.
I am so sorry. Would
Yeah.
you guys like some fantastic croissant?
Would you like croissant?
I'd like,
Would
yes.
you call him?
Fergs.
Hey.
Hands
So
up.
how's the croissant?
Very nice.
Can you speak English?
How
Very-
nice it is.
What?
Ay,
It's delicious and very nice. I like it.
It melts in your mouth.
Yeah, it's so flaky. I love the buttery taste and the flakiness. It's so perfect.
I think I ate some
That's
sand.
that's Mr. Beast want us to English only.
Yeah.
Policy, policy.
Because
EOP.
the English
We
only.
English the policy is English only. No Tagalog.
But I think
No, I know
Nihongo.
Japan, Nihongo.
I think we're gonna sleep so
Japanese.
early because our brain is so
It's empty.
functioning right now.
But it's okay.
Our
'cause
brain
we
is
have
not
coffee.
raining.
We
This is
have
not coffee, this
What
is
it?
chai.
It's not coffee.
Mine's coffee.
And
This
aside
is
from
masala chai. Do you know what's masala chai?
Chris, strike two. You said
They
goose.
they sala the chai, so you can drink it so smoothly.
Ako pa yung may strike.
So how was it?
It's so smooth.
Is it?
Yeah,
Is it?
because they sala the masala chai.
Oh.
They
How about the
sala.
skin of Mama Dog? It's smooth.
Guys, do you know this masala chai?
It's flaky.
Yes, this drink. Who knows this?
It's so.
Who knows this? They sala the masala chai, so you can drink it smoothly.
Hi, Goo.
Yeah.
How are
Cheers.
you? Yes. They're making. Oh my God, what's the English that?
Naging
They
charades.
make it.
Like that. That's only.
Oh, alam ko yan. I know what
Yeah,
that is.
what's that?
That's giddy.
What?
Giddy.
What's giddy?
Giddy.
What's giddy?
Giddy.
Is it? It's not giggle.
It's no giggle is like this. Giddy is like
Giddy.
Bamadong, it's
They're
giddy.
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 Yeah, they're giddy.
They're giddy.
Yes, it's limited to VIP.
Of course, our English is only limited, so
Can
don't
you send us
expect too much,
English?
guys.
Guys, can you send us
Because
More,
dictionary?
more English.
there's no